All right, this is the biggest center channel I have ever seen in my entire life. Here's the Arendal 1528 Center 8 Plus. This thing weighs 184 pounds and is basically as large as the Tower 8s. We're gonna get this inside, get it unboxed, and then probably take a nap. At least this time we're not bringing this in during the middle of a hurricane. This joker's heavy. Woo-hoo. All right, guys, it only took 4 weeks to get this through customs, but this is Arendal's brand new 1528 Center 8 Plus. Now, they make a smaller Center 8 that has 2 less woofers. It'll have 2 8-inch versus 4. As you can see, this box is massive. I'm 5'11", almost 6 foot. The box is almost as tall as me. We're looking at a center channel that's as large as this tower. Basically, Arendal took the same footprint, same driver component, same tweeter, mid-range, and woofers. Imagine moving these woofers up here and then taking this mid-range, sliding it in between the 4 woofers, and then rotating that 90 degrees. And so we're gonna get this unboxed. I did a full unboxing of the tower. This should go exactly the same way. So I may speed through this just a little bit. Gene De La Sala and Don Dunn are actually on their way. They'll be here in about 30 minutes. I'm gonna see if I can fly through this, get this ready so that they can help me install it up here. And then we're gonna have some fun just hanging out, talking about the Arendal 1528 series together. So let's get this bad boy unboxed. Now it weighs 184 pounds, I believe. It's crazy that the center channel weighs more than the towers do. Towers are about 174 pounds. So first thing, we're gonna pop these little caps off down here, just like that. So we'll go around and get all these removed. Once we have those white clips removed, we can lift the top off the box like this. Got our 4 speaker grills and our gloves on top. Lay those off to the side. Got these little pieces there. Now these side pieces just lift up. Pull that off. Each one of these comes apart like that. Got our thick pads on the top. And these middle pieces just slide off like that. So the bottom is going to be here. So I'm gonna untie it first down here. Lean it to the side. That way we can go ahead and get this cloth wrap. This is always nice. All right, then what we're gonna do is lay it down. And that's probably gonna fall, but we're gonna give it a shot. Here's the fun part. 186 pounds. Definitely gonna be using my legs like that. Man, I still can't believe this is a center channel. Good golly. Clean that up. Definitely easier the third time I've done this. All right, we're going to take the top off. And we're just gonna see if we can walk it off this pad. Much easier said than done. Definitely be much easier if you had somebody helping you. All right, so we'll just lean it back, kick that out of the way. This is still crazy. Now remember, this is not a tower. This is a center channel. Golly. All right, Jessica. This is a center channel. This is going up here.
Oh, really? That's crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, that's insane. Yeah, come over here for a second. Jessica, how tall are you? 5'4". Walk over here. Oh, she says bad time. She's not all prettied up. But I'm 5'11". I've never seen a center channel this monstrous. Big 1-inch tweeter, 5.5 inch or 5.25 inch. One of those two for the mid-range, and then 4 8-inch woofers. Again, this is the same exact speaker as the towers. So we've got the same exact rear. They've rotated this. This is the only difference. Actually there is another difference. So we do not have those attenuators to adjust the mid-range and the high frequencies like we did on the Tower 8s and the Bookshelf 8s. Everything else is pretty much identical. So we won't be bi-amping or bi-wiring these, so we'll leave these metal jumpers in place. But holy cow, here's what I want to do. I want you guys to see this. I'm going to lay it down. I'm just curious to see how wide. This entertainment center is about 96 inches wide. So if I had to guess, it's going to be about right there. Something like that. I just want to lay it down just to get perspective. Slide it back in here. So probably about, pretty close. Right about there is center. Holy cow, what a beast. Now, of course, for this review, you know, typically I don't have a center channel this big. You'd want something probably a little bit shorter than this. It's gonna put your TV up even higher. It's gonna block some of my TV, but I'm okay with that because the review's on the sound, not the picture quality. All right, so now that we've got this unboxed, I'm gonna jump in and grab a quick shower, get changed before Dawn and Jean get over here, get their initial impressions. I'm pouring sweat. Again, get somebody to help you out. I didn't have anybody, so you can do it by yourself. And so this looks like a beast of a subwoofer. Never, ever, ever seen anything quite like this. I can't wait to get it set up and hear what it sounds like.
That thing is absolutely insane. You guys pause and take a picture for me?